Welcome back guys to 509. So today I'm going to be learning how to drift. This is the YD2 chassis. All the specs, I'll have it in the description down below so you guys can check it out. So we got the E36 body, and then we also got a 3D printed bumper in the back. So this is the first actual real drift car on the channel. It's going to be a little different, but we're going to learn today. Let's go. Ah, dang. Okay, this is so different. Oh. Dang. All those YouTube drifting videos make it look so easy. But man, this is actually pretty hard. Okay, I'm gonna try to just go in a circle. Ah. Man. Okay, so I started messing with the gyro. This is the one that came with the kit. I just watched a couple YouTube videos and I was just kind of messing around with the dial in here. I don't know if you guys can see where it's set right now. And I think I got it. It's pretty smooth now. Yeah, I'm gonna see if I could do a smooth donut. Ah! Pretty close. My lens is pretty scratched up. I don't know how the footage is going to turn out, but we're going to try to follow behind a drift car, see what kind of footage we could get. Yeah, it's shaky. Yeah, drifting. So drifting is pretty fun. We're gonna go find a different spot. One of the first things that I was kind of doing wrong also is you gotta mess around with the gyro. You gotta tweak with it, kind of find the sweet spot for it. If you have it, if it's not enough, you're gonna spin out quick. If it's too much, it's gonna be too wiggly. That's another little thing that kind of took time, is to figure out the gyro. On my felony, that's the only car I've been drifting in. It's all-wheel drive. And with that, you're always just on the power. You give it and you just churn and you just go crazy. With this one, it's a little different. Yeah, it's just all throttle control. And you let the gyro just do all the work. So that's the gyro working right there, and that's what makes the drifting so smooth. Let's see how close can we get to the wall. This thing's a lot more grippier, dude. With concrete? Yeah. Okay, here we go. We got it.
Come on, now you're getting close.
I know.
Can you just fall off? Yeah.
There we go. Oh.
Damn, can block.
Ooh, I think that was the closest one. Okay, so this concrete is a little bit more grippier than what we were doing earlier. So yeah, different concrete handles a little bit different. There's no way we're gonna do this, but we're gonna try anyways. Yeah, there's no way, dude. Okay, let's see if I could just go around it maybe. Ah, I did one around it. Okay, I guess the tennis court is not as good as I thought it would be. It's a little grippy. Okay guys, that's it for this video. Hopefully you guys liked it. I'm gonna try to see if I can find like a drift track for this, because I don't know any here in Spokane, but I'm gonna keep practicing, and man, this thing's a lot of fun. So subscribe down below, and I'll see you guys next time.